Hello and welcome to YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to multiply two matrices using one of the built-in function in Excel. In mathematics, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in a row and columns. Um, Let me review some of the matrix identity. The dimension of each matrix defines by the number of rows and the number of columns, and each individual item in a matrix are called its element. So in this example, I have several matrices here. The first one, it's 2 rows by 2 columns, and this one is a 2 rows by 3 columns. Um, So let's define the dimension of each matrix. So the first one, it's a 2 by 2 matrix. The second one, it's a 2 by 3. The third, 4 by 3. Fourth one, fifth, and the sixth, the last one. It's very important to verify the rows and the columns in each matrix, because in order for you to multiply two matrices, you need to make sure that the number of columns on the first matrix is the same as the number of rows on the other one. And the result is going to be another matrix based on the rows on the first one and the column on the second one. So in this example, if we want to multiply this matrix by this, we verify the column is the same as the rows, number of rows on the second one, and the result is going to be 2 by 3. Another matrix, 2 rows by 3 columns. Um, Before I multiply two matrices, I want to give a name for each matrix. So matrix number 1, I'm just going to name it as a matrix A, second one B, third one, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. All right. Before I start multiply two matrices, I just want to define a name or give a name for each matrix. So in this one, I'm going to highlight the matrix, go to formula bar, define name, click on define name, and this name appear box here. So you type matrix underscore A, then click OK. The second one, also highlight this, formula bar, define name, click here and type matrix underscore B, click OK, and the third one, define name, and type matrix underscore K, click OK. This one, formula bar, define name, matrix underscore Q, hit OK, highlight this, formula bar, define name, type matrix underscore G, and the last one here, highlight, formula bar, define name, and matrix underscore J. Click OK. The reason I give the name for each matrix, if you go to name box here, drop down, example, you click on matrix A, it will refer to this matrix. Matrix G refer to this one. So I can use it in my function. All right. So I'm going to multiply this matrix by this. Before I do that, I'm going to verify the number of column is the same as the number of row. Good. And the result will be 2 by 3. So I'm going to highlight 2 rows and 3 columns. start with equal sign, MMUL. And once you see the formula start to emerge here, you can hit tab, and now the formula asking for array 1. You can type matrix, and you can see matrix names here. You're gonna multiply A, just hit tab, then comma, then type matrix and select B. So now I'm highlighting matrix A and matrix B, close parentheses, and this function required special keyboard stroke, Control Shift Enter. So this is the result of multiplying matrix A by matrix B. The next one, I'm going to multiply matrix K with matrix Q. Before I do that, I'm going to verify the number of columns in matrix K is equal to the number of rows in matrix Q. And the result will be 4 by 3. So I'm going to highlight 4 rows, 3 columns. Hit equal sign, MMU, and you see you can hit tab. Array 1 or matrix that you want to multiply is matrix, and then go down arrow, K, comma, and matrix Q. Hit tab, close parentheses, and hit Control Shift Enter. So this is the result. This is the matrix result of multiplying matrix K with matrix Q. And the third example, I'm going to multiply matrix G by matrix J. Again, I'm going to verify the number of rows, the number of columns in this matrix is the same as the number of rows in this matrix. And the result will be 3 by 4 matrix. So I'm going to highlight 3 rows and 4 columns. Equal sign MMU. Once you see the function start to emerge here, hit tab. Then matrix refer to matrix G, comma, refer to matrix J. Close parentheses and hit Control Shift Enter. Here we go. Thank you for watching.